Hi friends, I hope you guys enjoyed that little ASMR clip. It was an accident, but I really liked the light pen noises. I don't know if everyone will, so that's gonna be the only one probably in this video. But if you do like ASMR stuff, I think I'm gonna make like a pen pal ASMR. But I thought I would tell you what I'm doing. I am making my Patreon rewards for my patrons, and I wanted to make like a little nameplate for them. This one didn't work out. I just kept messing up on it. You saw the little smiley face, or sad face, not a smiley face. But yeah, then I finally got it, and I was using this cardstock, so I think that's why like the tombas were like bleeding through and I couldn't gradient them. But it turns out well, you'll see now. Hello, I am working on sending some mail to my patrons. They're the first ones to always get my new sticker sheets that will come out the following month. I'm a little behind this month, but I am going to be sending them these two sticker sheets. I have this camping one, and then I have this summer washi one. Like summer colors. Yeah, I'm going to select these and send them to my email so I can print them and cut them. Voiceover Haley is back and we are painting. I wanted to practice painting leaves because I am not good at it at all. I was painting these while my stickers were cutting for my patrons, and I don't know why I was using this brush. It was like the worst brush to use. Right now I'm also just painting a green square. I think my plan is to draw something instead of paint like a leaf in there. Maybe I'll show that in this vlog. Maybe not though. We'll see. But yeah, I'm just painting and I hope you like this. I'm not good at painting leaves and I really want to get better. So here's to that, y'all. You guys, I have no clue what I'm doing here. Like, what is she doing? What? She's grabbing more paint and she's just doing something. She's really going abstract here, but good for her. We don't know what she's doing, but we're rooting for her. She's going maybe a little crazy. I don't know, but we're rooting for her, I think. It's okay, girl, do your thing. I still don't know what I'm doing. I thought I was done doing painting weird things, but no, I continue. This looks like a weird blade of grass. It reminds me of those grass standees in Animal Crossing. If you play Animal Crossing, you know what I'm talking about. It just looks kind of weird though. Like, okay, girl, I hope you could fix that later or do something with it, like draw on it and make it look more realistic. It doesn't look that good though. What is she doing? I don't know. But here we go again with this weird brush twirl thing. Again, we are rooting for her, but I don't know. It doesn't make sense. We'll see maybe what she does with it. Bye. disregard everything I said earlier about giving you guys only ASMR once. Here it is again. I'm sorry. I think it sounds cool and I hope you enjoy.
Hey, how's it going? How are you today?
This is just a clip so you guys can see my face in this video. I did my makeup just for this. That's a little embarrassing maybe, but I don't really care. I hope you guys are all doing very well, and I'm going to be what am I going to be? Today I will be me, and me is going to maybe paint later, but we'll see what happens. This vlog is kind of over with, I think, after I paint a little or maybe draw on the paintings I did the other day. But I just wanted you to see my face. It's not the best face, but I feel like you guys needed to see it so you can get connection of who Haley Renee is. It's me. I'll see you later. Bye. Hello! This is the last clip of this week's vlog, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. It was a little more relaxed, I guess, because I didn't show me as much. I mean, I had that one clip earlier before this one of me, but there's nothing like that I'm like physically doing where I show you my face. Does that make sense? I think so. But it's just a bunch of me doing stuff with my patron and painting, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a little chiller, and I hope you guys like the voiceovers. And if you do, you can just subscribe if you want, and you can comment more things you want to see. Like, do you want to see more shop things or more painting or more drawing, which I'm not very good at? Let me know, and I would be happy to do that for you guys. I hope you guys have a great week and a great day, a great month, a great everything. And I'll talk to you guys soon. See ya.